Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors. Today I have the pleasure of showing you around what must be one of the nicest CLs on the market. This is a CL500, 2006 on an 06 plate, finished in obsidian black metallic. This is a lovely, lovely car. Now we have the pleasure of knowing both previous owners of this vehicle, so we know it quite well. Stunning car throughout, bodywork, paintwork, interior, alloys. It's a fantastic car. So looking around it, obviously we've got our headlamp wash, we've got front and rear parking sensors, lower fog lamps, which on a car of this age is quite rare to find. AMG style 5-spoke alloy wheels, finished in a bright sparkle silver. Now all four wheels are in superb order, all riding on stunning tyres. Looking down the side of the vehicle then, you'll not find any dents. The bodywork is in superb order, so there's no scratches there. Looking down the door edges, that's all in superb order. Looking around the grab handle, you can tell that's all fantastic as well. Keyless entry. We've got pillarless windows, obviously sunroof as well on this one. Coming through to the back, you'll find a nice dual exhaust, chromed exhaust tips, rear parking sensors, and then obviously SL500 badging to show this is the big brake horsepower beast. Now looking through into the boot, you'll find warning triangles still there. We've got the rear mat, we've got the boot mat there as well. Under here you'll find your space saver spur wheel with all the kit to change it. Locking wheel nut boxes in there as well. You'll find on a lot of these the springs for the boot hinges tend to go. This one still intact, springs up very, very well. Looking down then the driver's side, or the passenger side even, sorry, you can see paintwork, all of the paintwork, lovely mirror finish. Again, looking down the door edges, looking at the alloys, looking at all the sporty extensions on the body kit, all the bright silver detailing, your door protectors. Front end, it's not been raced and rallied, so it's not riddled with stone chips. Now, colour combo wise, we're complemented with this lovely cream leather interior. Looks absolutely superb. You can see the Mercedes door hinge that sort of comes out, that's all in fantastic working order as well. But the fit and finish, the sense of occasion inside of these cars, they really don't make them like they used to. So look at this driver's seat, very, very plush. Looking at the bolsters, the seat base, you can tell they're in nice order, so they've not got any sort of large signs of wear. For the electric front seat, so that comes forward when you try and get through to the rear area. So those seats I'd probably say have never been sat in. There's no stains, nice comfortable seating for two, nice reclined seating, and then obviously you've got all the nets in the back for your seats as well. Inside then, you've probably noticed we've got the lovely walnut veneer detailing all throughout. Three-way memory sport seats for driver as well as the passenger. Heated front seats, park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows, so the pillarless windows, they can go down fully. Bose surround sound system. Vehicle is then supplied with both keys. We've got automatic lights with this vehicle, and then a leather multifunction steering wheel. Now what I love about this steering wheel is the walnut finishes on the top and the bottom. With the sun out, you can see the lovely detailing in there. There's no sort of large scratches or chunks in that either. It's in very, very nice order, and it feels fantastic in the hand. We've got the buttons for the display up ahead, obviously all your Bluetooth phone, and volume controls for the media. As we're doing the video today, vehicle has only covered 48,778 miles, which is absolutely nothing for a car of this age. Coming through then, we've got the rear blind, so that is this here. press the button, comes down, press the button again, shoots back up. Then we've got the air suspension for the vehicle, the sport suspension, parking sensors, traction control. That's the button for the rear headrests. If they're fully up, you can just put them down. Towing, and obviously the interior alarm that you can switch off as well if you're looking to keep your kids in the car when you just nip down to the shops. Radio, video, DVD player, obviously satellite navigation, telephone, it's all found through there. Dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. We've got push button start off the gear lever on this one, which is a very, very nice feature. We've got then 12 volt power outlet there, central cup holders, storage within the armrest, so that's where your Mercedes phone would go. Press the other side, it opens up the full storage area. And then obviously the sunroof is all electrically operated, and then you've got the manual blind to close it all up as well. Vehicle has never been smoked in, used very frugally over the last couple of years. But if you'd like any further information on this vehicle, give us a call, send us an email on 01942 231 123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.